Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got a couple of watch faces for you all to check out that's going to help you get through the Monday grind. The weekend is almost over. Hopefully you enjoyed family and friends and had fun. All right, with that being said, let's check out these two watch faces that I have in the lineup. Watch face number one is called Semper Primus. I thought it was a good look for an analog digital watch face. Now you're going to be able to get away with dressing up and or dressing down with this watch face. But once the watch face is on, I like it. I like the look of the index. I do like the gold color. You got a black center, and also you got nice, elegant analog hands as well. You're going to get digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds, of course. You're going to get your date, going to get your battery percentage down at the bottom, name of the watch face, and you're going to get a nice floating second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. I thought this was a good look for a free watch face. It is not interactive. You cannot tap into your S health or anything like that. But if you want something that's going to look good, maybe you got to go to a board meeting, or maybe, just maybe, you're going to be dressing to impress for the weekend. So I thought this was a good look. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you download ASAP. And with that, let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two is called Azuro. This one is nice. It's a nice analog digital watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look so far as your time is concerned. But once the watch face is on, you got nice premium looking analog hands. You're going to get your digital time over here, your date, and you're going to also get the day of the week as well. Now over here, it is geared toward fitness, so you're going to get your step information and your heart rate information and a nice, beautiful moon phase down at the bottom. I do like that look. And at the top, it's going to give you your battery percentage. So for a free watch face, I thought it was nice. It's not interactive. You cannot change the color. But if you got something to tie this into, so far as your outfit is concerned, then hey, by all means, play it for the day. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys are resting up for the Monday grind. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.